Hi, you guys. Okay, in the spirit of making quarantine a tiny bit easier, I'm going to tell you how you can make a homework space in your home that will help your children focus and therefore be better behaved at least a little bit. And it's an activity you can do with your kids. I'm going to try and keep it under a minute, so let's go. The first thing you want to do is location. You want to make sure that it's in a location that is not distracting whatsoever. Ours is under the steps. If you could do it in a place that has natural light as well, that's great. If you don't have both, better to choose not distracting. You want to make sure that it has tables that are sturdy, that don't shake, that are not soft on top. You want to make sure that there's enough space for them to write and have their laptop. You want to make sure that they have all the supplies that they need in cute containers so they're motivated to keep it neat. You want to make sure they have the papers, the pens, the work from school, the chargers, the laptops, whatever it is that they need in that space. The decor should be sweet and positive. This is not the place for statement art, but it is the place if you want to put words that are positive, life-affirming thoughts. And you want a really comfortable chair. I have links if you want them. I'm giving them out for free. Comment below. I'll DM.